We're on breaking news tonight. We've learned more Massachusetts state troopers are the subjects of an internal investigation, and it's related to the high-profile Karen Read case. Good evening, I'm Glenn Jones.
And I'm Priscilla Casper. The troopers testified in the trial and were connected to the controversial figure in the case, Trooper Michael Proctor. Now, Trooper Proctor was placed on administrative leave in early July without pay after some derogatory texts about Read were revealed in court. Our NBC 10's Aaron Logan joining us live in Dedham outside Norfolk Superior Court with the newest developments on this. Aaron.
Priscilla, Glenn, earlier tonight, state police confirmed that 3 troopers were under investigation. Then, a short time later, they said that claims against one of them were unsubstantiated and the case was closed. So, to be clear, 2 are under investigation, and experts close to this Karen Read trial say they are not at all surprised. The specific moments of the Karen Read trial that stunned all.
That was the word you used, a figure of speech, right?
Correct.
A girl who herself, right?
Correct.
A slew of derogatory text messages sent by lead investigator Trooper Michael Proctor to other troopers. Those texts led to him being suspended without pay. Now, 2 more troopers are under investigation by the Massachusetts State Police, Detective Lieutenant Brian Tully and Sergeant Yuri Buchanek. The department wouldn't elaborate, but in court, Trooper Proctor admitted Buchanek was part of that group text dialogue and was also identified as one of his supervisors. Tully is one of the supervisors of the detective unit at the Norfolk District Attorney's Office.
I am a little bit surprised that it wasn't done at around the same time that they put Proctor on the leave as well.
NBC 10 legal analyst Michael Coyne says this may be the start of other texts and emails revealed that were not received as evidence in the trial.
Got supervisors at that point involved in hearing this exchange and not reprimanding him whatsoever with respect to it.
Former state trooper and law enforcement expert Todd McGee with a similar reaction that this is not a good look for the state police.
They're going to take a hard look at this and make some very, very specific actions to make a statement and to, again, restore that public trust. As for the Karen Read trial slated to happen in January, I significantly see a change on behalf of the prosecution. All of this fallout is going to minimize their case and strengthen the defense's case.
When it's a handful of people potentially facing disciplinary action by the time the next trial comes up, that makes a challenging case, perhaps even impossible for the Commonwealth to succeed in proving all the charges beyond a reasonable doubt.
Now, we reached out to the Massachusetts State Police Union and Governor Healey's office for a comment on this latest news that 2 more troopers are under investigation. And to be clear, they are on active duty. We have not yet heard back. Live in Dedham tonight, Aaron Logan, NBC 10 Boston.
As you know, Aaron, those troopers aren't the only law enforcement facing intense scrutiny about their conduct in the wake of the Karen Read trial. Trooper Michael Proctor is suspended without pay after he admitted to sending demeaning, wildly inappropriate text messages about Karen Read. Detective Kevin Albert of Canton PD, he's on leave as well, but that's a paid leave as an independent review is conducted. We also inquired about ATF agent Brian Higgins right after he took the stand, but the agency would not comment on his status. As this case continues to develop, make sure to stay with NBC 10 Boston. We'll have all the latest updates on air and online at NBCBoston.com.